This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. You can't help but appreciate the builder's attention to detail and great use of space. Immediately noticed is the covered porch in the front, and there is one also located in the back. Inside, you are drawn to the welcoming, open floor plan. This home boasts 9 ceiling soft close cabinets, granite counters in kitchen/baths. The first floor bedroom has endless possibilities for functionality and use. The remaining bedrooms are located upstairs with a laundry area to make life just a little bit easier. A wonderful feature you do not want to overlook, this home is equipped with a generator hookup. Conveniently located near schools, interstate access, military installations, entertainment, local universities, beaches, and more. For more information, review the details below.